Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use coupon in Taobao. So the first step you need to do is to open this website, and here you can see different products. So let's suppose I want to buy this product, so you simply need to select that product. So once you select that product, it will land you on to the page where you can find all details about the product, the size, the color variant and different details. Okay, and here you can see an option. This is basically a buy now button because it is in Chinese. Once you click on that, on the next page you have an option to add the card details and coupon. So you simply need to add coupon on to the next page. Currently I do not create account on that. Once I click on that, it will land me to create an account. So make sure that you already create your account after before purchasing any item from Taobao. So this is the process how you can use coupon in Taobao. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.